Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel. We are back again with another ArchiCAD tip and trick. As always, we will try and make this video as educational as possible, so stay tuned, watch until the end. This is a part 3 of kitchen design possibilities with ArchiCAD. We've been doing a video series of the kitchen designs. So part 2 was about kitchen modules or virtual library, working with a virtual library, kitchen virtual library. So tap into that, watch those videos. It's all about the importance of working with modules to speed up your project deliveries. And part 3, Part 1 was about the way we deliver our workflow in terms of project delivery, and the way we presentation packs of kitchens. So this time around, part 3 is more of a combination of that with a bit of new insights on kitchen possibilities with ArchiCAD. We're going to customize a few. So this is a pack available for download. There's a module pack you could download. We model them, and just to speed up your workflows. As it is the norm of our demonstrations, we aim to help you guys in terms of project deliveries, and with our packs and tutorials, our 4 dimensions of this mission behind this YouTube channel and the way we set up our studios is about to improve productivity, efficiency, value, and automatic workflows. And this pack will help you guys with that in terms of your projects. And so if you watch the video series, the kitchen part 1, part 2, and part 3, you figure the importance of the series. Since I've covered all, we've covered quite a lot, and then in terms of kitchen presentation layouts, and then today's video is more into customization and design, door options, cabinetry, and kitchen handles. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you, let's say you've got this pack. I'm just showing the door options that we have, and then you can play around with these kitchens that we have already modeled. That's just to change the appearances and stuff like that. So now we've got a collection of kitchen layouts, quite a lot. We can use them on our projects. The key catch here is to personalize and transform the kitchens as you wish. Not only with materials, but now you can personally transform your kitchens with the door options, the handles ranging from insert pulls, notches, aluminum extrusions, pressed open kind of cabinets, those kind of door options. So this is to give you your designs a more cohesive look and understand them from just using standard presets. So the main aim here is just to show you that you could customize not only everything, not the models and stuff like that, but you can transform the options and paneling and stuff like that. Yes. So today's tip, let's create a few samples. First, you have to have an idea in mind of what you want to achieve, right? And then for sure you need to have inspirations and stuff like that. You could go source inspirations from Pinterest or websites, I don't know, wherever you get your own sources, man. But the idea is I wanted to show you basic step-by-steps. So those door panels were made by just using slabs and first of all by drawing lines. Excuse for the mess, but yeah, I'll just show you these examples. this was the workflow was just making polylines and then magic wanding the slabs and then with the right amount sizes of the cabinetry. Yes. So that's basically it. That's an overview of sample that we've done, right? So I think we could go ahead and make our own now. So what you do is you have to, let's say, draw the shape of the cabinetry you want, and then trace it around, play around, maybe make it fancy, nicey. So here we're just creating an insert pull drawer. It's an insert pull drawer. If you're happy with this shape, and then this is just make it right, chamfer it, and then I think it's coming quite right. Just make sure you feel it, and then just to get it right, and then I think it's right. I was just using a polyline just to trace the shape of my drawer. Remember, this is just a pull inside. You pull drawer option. I'm just creating a pull drawer option, and then you duplicate to the grip center drawer like format. Just make it duplicate copies. Let's say 4 replicas. Mind the mess on my screen. I just had to record this and demonstrate. So let's say we have you duplicate, right? And duplicate this one, and just drag and copy. 1, 2. Drag it, just to make 4 copies. Just dragging those lines, guys, the shapes you've outlined. So then delete this other mess that you don't want. I don't delete it, just move it around. Bum. Yeah. So like I said, let's repeat the step that I was saying. Let's duplicate, drag copies of my outline line. So let's say this is a 4 drawer. And delete this other messes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just our option, pull drawer. So what you do is you magic wand the slab to the lines, to pull lines, and then that way the slab might cue this, and let's see what you've got achieved in this. Then just to make it a drop panel, like you make a copy behind the front. So there's going to be a front, and then the whether the pull insert was and then my cue just to check progress. Fit to screen. So here it is. So let's select the spec one and then take it down. So the pull insert could come out proper. And there you go. This is exact dimensions, guys, of the drawer. So be mindful when you trace, when you draw. Sometimes you can get it wrong. yeah, I'm really happy with what came out. It will look nice. It's minimalistic and clean. So select all, and then select all, and then go to File and Library, Objects, save selection as cabinet door, and then voila. So I already have samples here. I was just showing you a quick. You could save kitchen islands, you could save anything you want, you could customize anything, man. You could customize anything. So let's bring a cabinet here. This is an example of another door option that we created. This is another, yeah. So click on the cabinet and go to the settings dialog, and then let's check it out. Let's see drawer front, and then go to custom panel, or you could go check our panel. This is what we have. This was the shape that we were creating. So you could do a couple of designs, and of which it's time consuming, if I may say. But yeah, this is what we have achieved. You can play around with, you see this is slick, minimalistic. You can play around with materials and make them slick. And then, just play around with the settings, man. And just ArchiCAD is just amazing in terms of it's really improving. We are happy with what we have achieved thus far with the drawer, the option, just option one. We made couple, made a variety you could choose from, and then okay. Now let's demonstrate another custom door option, but this time we're gonna it's a pull drawer handle, like another pull drawer handle, but we're gonna use complex profiles. There's 4 videos on the link where we covered complex profiles, using complex profiles. So we brought in a shape here, guys. We're going to trace it over like we did at the option 1. So you're going to trace it over. Remember, you have to import nice stuff, guys. Nice stuff into your designs, and maybe a JPEG, PDF. You could do that. Make sure you So here, let's trace it over. Let's trace over our shape. Make sure we get it right. Fill out the corners. Flip the corners. I'd say, okay, that's good, that's fine. So here you could see just that way you put your hand and then you pull the drawer. So it's going to be another dot option. Okay, I trace it over. I apologize for the mess on my screen. Okay, I think I'll just drag my drawings and open a new ArchiCAD file. And then you open a new ArchiCAD file, and then I think I'd go. Let me copy my stuff. So you're going to see this mess. It's a mess. I brought in quite a lot of files. I brought in quite a lot of stuff. This is behind the scenes, I'd say. Behind the scenes of creating magic. Creating magic. So this is what you use. It's dimensions, you get them right. Okay, let me copy my stuff and move to another working environment, working a CAD file, and open where I could just go directly mess up there and behind the scene. Copy my stuff. Then while it's opening, nope. How's it taking time? Does your kid file take time as mine? I don't know. Voila. Patience is the name of the game. So yeah, we copied our stuff. This is where our behind the scenes will take place. And then paste and I copy them. What's going on here? Yeah. Okay. Enlarge our work environment. And then let me drag my presets, my slabs, and then the door options, I'm just copying them. And then remember, check links on the description for more videos that would make you understand my workflows. And yeah, I pasted my door panels, and then yeah. Bum, bum, bum. The computer is freezing. Okay. This is the door panel for the door, right? This is our panel for the door. And then we go ahead and create our profile, which is going to be inserted into this panel, which is by this profile. And then let's open this on elevation, drag it to 0, and then this is our door panel, and then this is our handle that we're going to profile, right? And then rotate it. This is creating a door handle, a panel with a door handle. That's the magic we're trying to achieve here. This is not. Let me take the control key to scale. So we're trying to scale our door handle. So this is the panel, and then this is the handle, right? Custom made. Okay. And what do? Let's cut back, just scale it, and then control key, drag, yeah. And then bring our profile manager, complex profiles. Let's bring am I happy with this? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Let's bring down. I think it's what do you think? I don't know where I got this inspiration from, but I know there's a door panel like this. So, let's bring on profile manager options, complex profile, create new, name it, handle. So go check out our full length tutorial on complex profiles. You choose, walls and beams, bring our profile in, make sure you put in the reference point, and then we look for a fill. That's just how profiles work. And then look for the material. Which we could use magic wand, a polyline, magic wand, the lines. That's basically repeating the size. So this yoke and fills, it's already a 3D. It's already a 3D. That's the beauty of working with profiles. When you save it, you make sure you save it so it appears in the element selection the side. So it means that it's active, it's saved. Okay. Now after the profile is complete, we can merge, choose a beam, and then place it on, merge it with the door panel. And then if you're not happy with the profile, okay, voila. And then it's going above. You're gonna have to bring it down, selection 3D, and then it doesn't appear. That means it's very high. And then in 3D, okay, it's above, right? That is. And then take it down to 0. So isn't this a door handle already? A door panel with the handle? Is it not? Is it not? Okay, we can go back to the profile and edit the materials whichever way we want. Just to maybe, let's say, a steel. There's a stainless steel, those slicky metals, those shimmy, like maybe, shiny material, just to give it a different feel. Like it can be wood, straightforward, and then we're creating a profile here, so it has to be sort of inserted into the panel. This profile has to be sort of an insert. Then let's play with solid element operation. I hope you know how to play around with this. Just to merge, execute. So that means I didn't select well. Let me try again to execute. This is a target. No, this is. What am I doing? You know what? Let's give that material that profile a different material. I didn't do that, I don't know why. Okay, and then apply, save, apply. Okay, let's distinguish our materials. Okay, and then override surfaces. Let's go back to our connection. Let's connect it right. Let's connect it right. Let's make it connect. So this is our pull door handle, guys. This is our pull door handle, which is override as materials, and then and then let's finish up by using solid element operation. So the way we extrude, we want to have a clean finish. That's the importance of working with as EOs, late element options. You need to have a target and operator, and then you choose the way you operate. Okay, and then this is not clean, not really clean, and then you have to choose the way you operate. You could use subtraction, down subtraction, but since this is not clean, that means we didn't execute it proper, let's say. Select again, downward extrusion, execute. Now I'm happy. So you could have multiple of this. Maybe you have inspirations of quite a lot of door panels. Yeah. So we are happy with what we have. You copy it, convert it to more. Yeah. You place it where our workflow was before, where other door panels are, and then in 3D. But anyway, let's save this selection as a door panel, cabinet door, to see. Okay, the list is growing, and then choose a cabinet. Choose a cabinet, F5. There's our cabinet. There it is. It already applied. So you applied what you created. This is a pool. Remember, clean, minimalistic kind of style kitchen designs, but without those extrusions and stuff. Okay, let's go to panels, then cabinet door 6. Okay, so this is upside down, which is good. It could be upside down, and then it could be up straight. So there's a reason why it's upside down. As we are saving, you need to mirror the way this. Okay, let me mirror this. Let me mirror this, guys. Yep. And then save selection. Cabinet 7. The first one was upside down, then this one has to be upgrade. Now let's go back to our panel options. Windows 7. Click. What do you think? That's what we have. And then there are 2 drawers. Alright guys, I think I shouldn't do much on this, but I'll just showing you what we have achieved thus far, what we can ArchiCAD possibilities. This is part 3 of a video series that we've been doing. So far, we have a kitchen virtual library, which you could tap into part 2 of our video series, where we could see the importance of working with a virtual library. So this kitchen's available for download. The pack is available for download. It's a quite extensive collection of kitchens, or you could now just play around with materials and then those door handles. Not only you could play around with materials as it was always that norm. So the pack now you could play around with door options and stuff. We made quite a few objects here. We managed to model in the pack. We managed to model kitchen islands. We managed to customize quite a few things. So you could use these packs to improve your productivity, efficiency, and basically your workflow, because now you could really schedule all this. It's not really those SketchUp models where you can't schedule the lists of your cabinetry. So in ArchiCAD now, you could basically now visualize and schedule. So this kitchen's let's now on its own layers and classification managers. So for easy workflow, you could check them out. Check out our first video, kitchen series 1, kitchen series 2, then this is kitchen series 3. So I think you're done with the kitchen virtual libraries now. We are done for today. That's about it for today. Thank you for being with us today. As always, we appreciate the effort and the feedback we get from you guys. Please check out links for more videos in the description below, where you could enhance your skills and hone them. We release a video every week. ArchiCAD tips and tricks. There's a website for you guys coming up, and then where you could enjoy the ArchiCAD community in terms of resources, templates, and stuff like that. And yeah, as always, stay creative. Peace. See you in the next video.